giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave
Hello,
me
guys.
high and dry.
I'm
Hey, guys.
smiley. I'm very excited because today Mr. Godmatata and I are sharing our first flight together.
Yay! Yes.
Yes, guys, we are playing. We are playing. So time is running for us. So we needed to decide the shortcut. And instead of 16 hours, we are taking a flight of almost 3 hours.
It's not a shortcut. Convenience. Because shortcut means
/ convenience.
convenience. Yeah, what's more convenience? Not a shortcut. Shortcuts always catch up with you. It's like you're avoiding something.
Okay, well, it has sense. What you're saying, it has some sense. Guys, we are in a desert airport. We are in Walvis Bay Airport
And
in
you're
Namibia,
Namib Desert.
in the Namib Desert. And our plane, I think, is arriving.
Yeah.
We are very soon to board. And we are heading to Cape Town, South Africa. One of the last spots of this southern Africa trip that we have started. When do we start?
March. No,
April.
April 9 or 10.
From April till June.
Yeah.
Yes, guys.
It's kind of July, but June. Yeah, end of June. But if you put that 10 to 10, it's exactly 2 months.
Okay.
Non-stop travel.
So 2 months of a lot of anécdotas, stories, adventures, and long roads. Very good roads, very bad roads, long buses, day buses, night buses,
Everything.
everything.
That's being a traveler.
Yes.
But I give you one option. Choose. All those hectic nights and days and long and short, or 1 month vacation of 1 week in every 2 months.
No. I like the long-term traveling.
Okay.
100%. That's my lifestyle.
Okay.
Yes. So, okay, guys, welcome to our first flight together because we've never been in a flight together. So,
Yes, guys. Seems we've traveled by road so far.
yes.
Wow, I can't imagine the way we caught our bus from Kenya, crossing the border to Tanzania.
Yes. So, right, guys, welcome to our new destination, South Africa. Cheers. Wow, guys, I'm in the smallest plane I've ever been, I think. Look, it's only 3 seats on the line. Like, we have 2 and only 1 there. And that's the end of the plane. It looks like a jet. Those planes that it could be easily private ones, you
Yeah.
know. But this
Yeah.
is more for public. Let's say public. But look how small.
That's how it looks like, guys. And this is us and Rosie.
Yes. And Godmatata allowed me to be on the
Window.
window.
So you can see Cape Town.
Yes, that's why I love him.
Okay.
Okay.
Namib Desert. Time to say goodbye. So this has been voted the best airport in Africa.
Guys, welcome to South Africa, Cape Town. For me as an Argentinian, I don't need visa, so that was very good. It was very easy. Marwan neither needs it.
2 years ago, I needed visa.
Oh,
But the new president, even I have a South African visa on my passport. The
okay.
new president Christian said no visa and this. And now, no visa for Kenyans.
Okay.
Enjoy.
Enjoy. So guys, we got a SIM card, we got local cash. Now we are also looking for a bank to change. We still have some Namibian dollars. We need to exchange it to South African rand.
Yes.
That's the local currency here.
Yes.
So yeah guys, so this was the most beautiful airport in Africa, you said?
Not was, is.
It is. It is.
You can show them how it is.
Yes, I will show. I'm showing already. So okay guys, welcome to the most beautiful airport in Africa.
Cape Town. So we wanna see where the bank is. I'm told.
Guys, welcome to another room tour. This time in Cape Town. We are downtown center, and this hotel looks like super new. On the entrance we have a small kitchen with necessities, like I can make tea, I can make coffee, microwave, even to warm something here. We have a small fridge. What is this? Like this. And this one? What is in here? Oh, it's a hotel. It's actually a park hotel. So it's like the rooms are like apartments. That's what it is. What is in the second one? Second one, we have if we want to grab something that is very hot, we just do like this. If we want to maybe make a salad, we can use this. If I want to cut vegetables. For someone that really likes to cook a lot, because usually when you're in a hotel for 2 days, you don't really use these things, but it's very useful that it has all of. Oh, here we have a bin for the trash. Everything is like very super organized. Look, even it looks new, brand new, and no one has used it before. Water. What's in here? I really like to open all the doors and see what's inside. We have glasses, we have wine cups, mugs for the tea, some plates. What else? A toaster. Okay. That's good. Have a mirror here. We have Netflix ready to be used here. What else? A small desk here with a chair. The room is pretty small, but it's okay. It looks very cute. And they give us a voucher for a coffee tomorrow morning for free, one each. For me and Marwa, we have a closet here. I can dry my hair if I want to. Look, this is very good. Guys, look at the electric connection in South Africa. How many volts are here? 250. That's a lot. Ironed if I want to remove the how do you call it? The wrinkles on the wrinkles.
If you just wanna straighten up or iron.
Yes, exactly.
Some iron box.
So I'm hanging our coats here. We have a nice bed. It looks like very aesthetic. It looks like the walls were painted yesterday morning. Guys, everything is nice. When we were booking, it was saying mountain view, but we have a wall view actually. So that wasn't very. Look at this, guys. You know, I'm talking about something and I get distracted with others. We have a god matata included in the hotel.
Yes, guys.
The room comes with one coffee and one god matata added. When you get in, he's chilling here. Yes. And look at the toilet. Also very nice.
I'm telling the price.
Very, very nice. We found it very cheap. I must say it was very cheap compared to other places. And maybe because it's winter, yeah, like low season. But we are paying $66 for 2 nights. So $30 a night. And for what they are offering, like in terms of aesthetic, you know, like cute hotels are always more expensive. And very well located. So yeah, guys, I like it. I like it when the details are. We have here body lotion and shower gel and a soap. Another mirror here, like the green of the wall. Like as you can see, as you can notice, I like green. And shower. Look, even the detail of the towel, guys. You see? Very nice. It's very okay. Very, very okay. Comfort of the bed.
Guys, it is as comfortable as you see Mara relaxing.
Okay. We will give a high rate then.
The only problem is it has wall view.
Wall view and no mountain view.
We thought it's gonna give us Table Mountain view. Now we are here at wall view.
Wall view.
We will complain. We will write to the hotel. Rosie, you will write.
I will leave it. My review. It will be. They gave us wall view. All right, guys. We just arrived. We're gonna rest. I'll see you tomorrow. Good morning. What are you doing?
I want to put my...
Sorry. Yeah, okay. Sorry, guys. Don't watch this. This is secret agenda.
Okay. Now, from there, I'm posting something on my Instagram stories.
We have food.
Which is right there.
Hello, guys. Good morning from Cape Town,
South Africa.
Cape Town, South Africa. We are in the restaurant, coffee of the hotel that we are staying, having some breakfast, working with our laptops. We are such a what I want to say, like office persons.
How do you say Cape Town in Spanish?
Ciudad del Cabo. Guys,
Ciudad.
Cape Town in Spanish we call it Ciudad del Cabo.
Del Cabo.
That's how I always heard about Cape Town in my native language.
Yeah.
So Namaro is excited using Spanish in his tags.
Because also I'm educating some people. People like, oh, Ciudad del Carro. What's that?
Yes. Yes, we have a translation for all the names of mostly everywhere. Some countries don't really have a translation, and they still the same. Some others, we do translate them. Okay, so Maru is having a vegetarian wrap.
Yes. It's very good.
It's very good. It looks very good. Like it has some carrot, avocado, spinach. I can see that. For me, I got a toast here.
Very good.
Very good. We have Nicolas here. You want to say hello? Nicolas is serving us today. Very good, guys. He's very gentle. And you're enjoying.
More than enjoying.
Okay, that's good. I'm having also a chai latte. And this is a smoothie with banana berries and something else. Very good, very good. Low-fat yogurt. Okay, guys, let's enjoy our breakfast.
Allow me to wash your hands. It's an African tradition.
Okay, alright.
If you want to eat our African food, then we eat with hands.
Okay, yes.
Oh, so no spoons are allowed.
No, no, it's up to you. But maybe you can try the African way of eating with hands.
I'm from the village. This is my lifestyle. Maybe
Yeah.
for her. So guys here in Africa, one of the things we'll experience is eating with hands.
Okay, you can take the nap. Here.
Hey guys, we are in the streets of Cape Town. We came to find some food, and we are in a it's very beautiful. I will show you decoration and everything. We are in a place called Mama Africa, where they offer a lot of African dishes, but not just from South Africa, but from many places. Like you have all the flags and traditional foods from different African countries. So it's a place that I recommend if you want to come and experience the traditional dishes. In my case, I'm gonna go for something more general, like it can be found all over Africa, not just one country in general. I'm gonna get a goat kebab and some mushrooms that I saw also. But the most traditional and asked dish here, at least in this restaurant, is crocodile, which if you are the brave ones that would like to try something different and unique, you can absolutely ask for it. It's actually South African, but I'm not gonna go for a crocodile. But yes, guys, you can try. Guys, my food has arrived and it looks like this. It's funny, every time I ask for a kebab in different places, something different shows up. So I'm confused now about what kebab is. But this is goat and it has like a sauce there, and these are the crispy mushrooms. So okay, let us enjoy. Guys, look how beautiful this place is. I think it's the most African that I've seen so far in terms of decorations. I'm going this way with a lady.
So what's your plan tomorrow?
One minute. Guys, we're right here. We're gonna be getting off in a minute. Show you the beautiful waterfront. Wow. Tomorrow we may come back here
Yeah.
to get helicopter ride.
Oh.
We want to do it.
Alright guys, sorry I'm not in my best today, but we are in a beautiful place though, so I need to make videos, of course. We're not gonna be forever here, but we are in a place called the waterfront and the sun is setting, so though it's very cold, I think it's a nice moment to come here. Alright, we go?
Yeah, we can explore anyhow if you want. Very well. Right here now. Yes.
Guys, we came to this beautiful neighborhood that looks like a neighborhood very famous in San Francisco, California, where all the houses are very colorful and nice for pictures and things like this. So we came to see, it's a neighborhood called Bo-Kaap. So this is where we are and this is how it looks like. Let me show you behind the cars actually. Situated at the foot of Signal Hill on the fringe of the city center and formerly known as the Malay Quarter, Bo-Kaap's origins date back in the 1760s when numerous rental houses were built and leased to slaves. These individuals, known as Cape Malays, were brought from Malaysia, Indonesia, and the rest of Africa to work in the Cape. Guys, this neighborhood is really beautiful, and yeah, it really reminds me to this neighborhood in San Francisco. We are very lucky that the weather is actually nice. I'm wearing extra clothes right now, I wouldn't need them, but yesterday was the same weather and then it got very cold, so we have a long day going on today. But look at the streets, they are so beautiful and we can find a lot of tourists coming here, taking pictures, doing different shots for their social media, etc.
Yes, even there are big people with big cameras. Probably they are more like, I don't know, commercial based or big YouTubers. Yes.
Yeah.
So.
Yes, guys.
Bo-Kaap.
So if you come to Cape Town and want to do some good content, this is the area to come, not to miss. Show this place to your people because it's very beautiful and it's worth it. I think it's one of the areas that you must visit.
You must visit Cape Bo-Kaap because it's
Bo-Kaap.
right in the center of the city.
Yeah.
We go that way and I take you to some place.
All right. Next destination. The houses in Bo-Kaap are a mix of Cape Dutch and Georgian architecture, positioned in distinctive multicolor rows on steeply cobbled roads. The choice of color is said to be attributed to the fact that while on lease, all the houses had to be white. When this rule was eventually lifted and the slaves were allowed to buy the properties, the owners painted all the houses bright colors as an expression of their freedom. Bo-Kaap is home to predominantly Muslim families who have been living there for generations. Today, the Bo-Kaap community is a significant part of the city cultural heritage. I'm from Argentina.
Argentina.
Yes.
So
Next destination, we are here in Table Mountain Cable Aerial Cableway. That's how is it called. And we are inside of a cloud, guys, right now. Like, look at the sky. That is the city. Beautiful view of Cape Town. It's beautiful. I'm really amazed by the city. But it's very cloudy. But I believe it's just a matter of time until the
yes, guys.
the cloud moves away. And
We wanna go up,
we want to go up.
but it's very cloudy.
But look, we're gonna get inside of a
Super cloudy.
cloud.
So, but they say be aware of snakes. So
Be
that's-
aware of snakes.
Oh, they're over there.
Yeah, in this area.
Okay. So what we're gonna do is
In this
probably
area.
go get the tickets. We just go the
Okay.
way it is.
Okay.
Yeah, because I don't.
So, please, gods of the mountains, allow us the view.
All right.
You have to help me pray
Okay.
to the gods of the mountain to
God.
give us view.
God, we deserve the best. Thank you, God. Give us the best view.
Yes.
Amen.
Yes. So, I was about to say something, and yes, that South Africa, congratulations. I don't know the rest of South Africa, but Cape Town so far, I must admit this place is even more advanced than my own country. Literally. 100%.
Johannesburg is more built than Cape Town.
More built.
Yes, but Cape Town is like more. You can find everybody here, so it's like I don't know how to.
Very internationalized.
Yeah, like you don't feel like you're alone here. You might find Asians here. You find white people from Europe.
No, yeah, for sure. Like many other places that we've been traveling in Africa so far, I feel like eyes on me, you know, in many places. But so far, well, Namibia, and now here, I'm just one in the group, you know. I don't feel like the eyes on me, or like maybe being targeted or things like this. I feel more normal. Like I could just be just another citizen.
Yeah.
So that
Yeah.
also, you know, helps me to relax in terms of security and things like that. So
technically, Rocio is saying she's seeing more white people. That makes her more comfortable.
yes.
Like right behind you, right there, everywhere white people.
Yeah.
In the bus. All right. So
All right,
let's
guys.
go pay the tickets.
All right, let's go. Guys, these are the prices. Adults, return. Oh, afternoon. They even have a different. So afternoon, we are in this list. Return or one way. So which means that you can go up and then
Not return. Climb down.
climb down.
Yes.
Yes. Or you can go
Climb
up
and come down.
and come down
That
in
is-
the same area.
That is what I did last time.
Uh-huh.
We climbed, then I came down with the cable. Because also coming
Okay.
down can easily take you 3 to 4 hours.
Oh,
Easily. Yeah.
why they are curves or
Yeah, and even going up can easily take you If you are a fast guy, like when I was climbing, I was like very good. Took me at least 3 hours. Yeah.
Oh, it's a serious hiking.
Oh, it's a serious hike. Sometimes
Okay.
helicopters come to rescue people here. You can find that on YouTube. Helicopter rescues maybe a woman in Cable Mountain. You'll see.
Wow.
Table Mountain.
Wow.
You'll see that. Yes.
Okay, so we are doing return
No,
or one way.
we have to do return. Yes, return.
Yes.
One way you can't manage.
Okay,
Yes.
yeah, just for the weather, and for pregnancy reasons, guys.
Yes.
But I think it's just 3 hours. I would do it. Like coming down is always easier, but the weather is not worth it, and we don't
And
have the
sometimes
time.
it can rain. It can. It's
Yeah, like guys, look, literally look. Look at the cloud passing by.
And earlier it was raining. Then
Earlier
after
it
like 5
was
minutes
raining.
it stopped. Then
Yes.
all right.
So okay, let's go. At least we'll see how the weather is in our favor. Let's hope so. Also, you can do this thing, this city sightseeing, that they can take you around many places, and also something that I'm seeing is there is a city pass that can, if you city pass, I think I'm gonna put the link of the page here, where if you have time and you want to do a lot of activities in the city, you can buy that city pass that allows you free entry to many activities. So when city has those things, it's very good to use it. But also, if you have specific things that you want to do, you want to save some money, or also, not in our case, we have very little time, but if you have more times to do many days, different activities, I always recommend those city pass because they offer a lot of things and big discounts. So you can check the page here and get that for sure. So guys, the sun is shining there, but there is a big antique cloud up there that wouldn't allow us to see anything up there. So we were with the intention to go up there on a cable. We can't even see the cable, imagine, guys. And we were warned that, guys, it's very cold upstairs and you probably won't see anything. So we just decided that is not the time, and we'll check another activities to do in the city,
all right, guys.
which has a lot. So
An
let's
Uber.
just do another thing.
We're going to Clifton.
Okay,
like-
Clifton Beach.
Yeah, it's like the richest neighborhoods.
Okay, but it's clearly clear in here in this area, the city. But look at the cloud. Well, now there is a gap there, but there's no gap at all here. God Matata is getting ready
For a
to
picture,
be
guys.
handsome in a picture
Yes.
with the rich guys
Where
in
the rich
Cape
hide,
Town.
you see how they are walking the ridge.
Guys,
They walk like the.
this is where the rich hides. Wow, look at that one. There is the one that it looks like a glass house.
Yeah, pure.
Super hidden, that's for sure.
But if you had asked me which one I can choose, like choose. I would choose that big one right there in the center. I think that's like super classic.
Like the one, like kind of green.
No,
There?
right, the
Or
big
there?
one, right
The
there.
big one. Okay, guys, let me zoom so we can all see. I think. Let me catch it on the camera. No, we
The
can
big
barely
one in the
see.
center.
Okay, you zoom it.
So let me
Zoom.
zoom with this one, then I'll show you.
Let's see.
It's this one here,
God Matata's choice of house.
right
That
there.
one.
Yeah.
That one.
Yes.
Okay, guys. We are in, oh, but look at that one. That one, it looks like I would choose that one, I think. But also here we have houses even with pools in the balcony. Guys, we are in an area called Clifton Beach. Actually, let me remove the zoom from my face. So now you can see me fully. We are in an area called Clifton Bay, and look how sunny it is. Actually, for sure, over there we can still see the big cloud that didn't let us see Table Mountain. But downstairs here,
We will go.
it looks very beautiful, sunny, nice weather.
Yes.
Very, very nice. This is a very beautiful area of Cape Town also.
This could be one of the richest houses. No, the most expensive houses in South Africa.
In South Africa.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Though there are other places like there is Port Elizabeth.
Okay.
But this is like there's nothing that can beat here. Nothing.
Okay.
Let me take pictures before this bus comes and stops.
Sightseeing.
Hey, take me picture, man. It's
You
coming
see, guys, the bus that we saw before, it also takes you to this area
to
to
see.
explore.
Somebody's home.
Just to film.
Look at. Also, it gives me Rio de Janeiro vibes. I'll take you a picture here.
Guys, actually with this view that we have in front of us, I feel I'm in my city. My city, Mar del Plata, Argentina. Google it, because we are actually like opposite. If we follow a straight line to South America, you reach my city. You reach my city 100%. Atlantic Ocean also. And right now I feel like I'm walking on my city 100%.
Mar del Plata has mountains, or just this part?
Like this part, you can find like cliff like this.
I did some construction going on, so that makes kind of traffic in this. And it is their way to the state of the scenery and the road.
Guys, I'm totally amazed with Cape Town. Beautiful, beautiful city. And it's also like swimming pools. Looks like public. I don't know, maybe they have a fee or something to use it. But if you want to come and do some swimming workout, which is one of the healthiest sports ever, you can do it here. Look at this. I love it. I love it. Of course, not everything is pink color in life. There we also have some people with no place to live.
Like any other big city.
Like any other big city, yes. But wow, I want to be swimming right now with that people. No, it's not Olympic size. It looks like 20 feet meters, which is half of it.
There's even diving area, you see? Right
Yeah. Oh yeah, there?
there. Yeah, that's diving.
Yeah, that one is deeper for sure, because it has the trampoline to jump. Oh guys. Wow. I love it. Also, this area has a few small shops to get some food. What I'm looking for is for ice cream.
So which one do you want?
And
Even
when
now you're
you
confused.
search for something, you find it. So let's see what I want. Let's see what I want. Yes. Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm good, and yourself?
I'm good, thank you. We are gonna get. Okay. Yes, I will get Ferrero Rocher and Choco Mint, please.
I was gonna get the same thing.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Good
Yeah.
days. You
It
have
looks
good
good.
days.
Me, I only know vanilla.
No, they have interesting flavors, which is good.
Imagine she was talking about, oh look, they have already say ice cream. The man completely ignored.
Anything else?
You want?
I'll
For
get
you?
also a mix. Just mix it.
You
for
want
me.
also the same one?
Thank
No,
you.
mix for me several. Any is okay.
But make a juice. Make a juice.
So you want another flavor for you?
Okay, yeah, another flavor. I'm not really like that. Yeah, Oreo, but Oreo and vanilla. I'm telling you, eat quick, I give you this.
Guys, Don Matata is already telling me
Eat
That I
quick, I
need-
give you this. Because I can only eat a little. This is not my type.
why you order then so big?
Oh, there was a small option?
Yeah.
I didn't know.
Ay. Guys, if you're the ones that like ice cream and a lot of ice cream, I haven't seen anywhere else in the world the way that you can buy ice cream in Argentina. We have amazing gelaterias in Argentina, and you can buy a quarter, half a kilo. And when you buy one of these, it's not just the small bowls that they put everywhere. They really feel it. They really feel, and it's gonna be huge, guys. Go and buy ice cream in Argentina if you go there, because
You say you can buy 1 kilo of ice cream?
yeah,
Oh my god.
yeah, for sure. You can. We even have delivery of ice cream. You're having a movie night with your family, and you can order ice cream. You just call, they bring it to your house. 1 kilo,
Because you eat
2
your ice cream,
kilos.
it will drop.
Okay, yes. Guys, this is when you share life with a god matata.
Yes. I don't know how to eat ice cream. It's all over, guys. I am cleaning now. I'm cleaning. Now this lifestyle. New to me.
2 for 1.
I've liked that they have water over there. Like you can actually drink, even for the homeless people. I saw also this in Spain. It's something good. Wow. Still we are walking here in the villa. Villas.
Yes, guys. Beautiful area.
Very.
Clifton Beach. We are in Clifton Beach.
No,
still?
this is not Clifton.
anymore.
This is Sea what?
Sea Point.
Sea Point.
Sea Point, guys. We are walking on the Sea Point area.
Yes. One thing you've realized is they have not built the houses next to the ocean. Meaning at least they are giving public people to enjoy the ocean. See here, they have even written something about the ocean. Wow, and pictures of the ocean. Like this. Wow. They have some whales here, you know? They have whales in South Africa.
Yeah. Guys, while people exercise and I eat 2 ice creams, I found this. That you can actually come here, step here, and if you watch from here, look, showing the camera. What do you see, guys?
A rhino. Yeah. But if you see from the other side, it's just sketch.
From the other side, it's like only shapes. Yeah.
Yeah. It's sketch. Wow.
Guys, we are back at waterfront. We were here yesterday, and we came here for a very special activity that Marwa has been tempting me with for months.
Yes, guys.
We will see what it is now.
see you.
Thank you. Got my Tata's reward. After 2 months of waiting
Yeah, guys.
for this mission.
I told her anytime I say Cape Town, she says it just happened.